Epson adds DS900WN to A4 scanner lineup. Canon sues Katun and GPI for patent infringement. Zhono introduces TestEasy mini resetter for instant reset. GG promises printing efficiency is enhanced with its ink maintenance boxes. Kyocera launches new Ecosys A4 printers. Lexmark again named a leader in cloud print services by Quocirca. Ninestar forecasts results for first half of 2024. 10 print releases replacement toner cartridges for HP series. FUJIFILM and Konica Minolta signed shareholders agreement to establish joint venture company. Canon releases new remanufactured MFP. For more information please visit www.imagingsolution.in.